I'm Debbie Godfrey. Welcome to the Positive Parenting Pep Talks podcast.
Today's pep talk is on following your child's lead. So often we want our kids to follow our lead. We tell them what to do and we want them to follow us. Well, they can't learn this unless they're taught how to follow. And they're taught that by being put in leadership positions and having somebody follow them. So the way that this works is that you look around for situations during the day where your child's doing something that you could come in and just support them as a leader. Maybe they're playing a game, or maybe they're building something or making something. You can come in and say, wow, I love what you're doing. How can I help? What can I do? How can I support you? And let them be in charge. The old version of this is when kids used to play teacher together. So one kid would set up being the teacher and the others would be the students, and that child got to boss everybody around. And this is where kids learn not just to be leaders, but really how to be followers by how the other kids are following them. So if you play this game with them, then you're able to train them in how you want to be supported as a leader by supporting your child as a leader that way. So for example, one time my son was out in the backyard kicking the ball against the wall, and I said to the girls, hey, let's go and be on Michael's team. And so we went back there and I said, Michael, we want to be on your team. Where do you want us to be? What do you want us to do? And so he's rallied together and told us, you be there, and let's make two teams and we'll play this game. And he made it all up as he went. And so by coming in and saying, what can I do? How can I help? Where do you need me to be? Those are the words that your child will hear. And if he hears them over and over again, those are the words your child will begin to speak. And remember, a lot of the things that we role model take months and even years for them to develop the skills and the training. So you might have to do this for quite a while before they pick up the idea. And so look at situations today as you're going through your day. What are your kids doing? Just watch them. What are they doing? Are they playing? Are they getting into stuff? Are they, just sitting in front of the TV? Are they trying to put together a game? Are they trying to build something? Are they trying to make something? Look for opportunities where you can say, wow, that looks like a cool thing you're doing. I want to be on your team. I want to support you. What do you want me to do? What can I do? Where can I be? You be in charge. You be the leader. Tell me what you want me to do. How can I support you? Asking these questions, repeating them over and over again, over time is what trains them. Kids learn by what they hear. So for example, we all have a little voice in the back of our head. And whenever we do something wrong, there's a voice that'll either whisper critical things or helpful things to us. And usually it depends on what kind of parent we had. If our parent was always saying, go for it, you can do it, keep going, don't give up, stay with the job, that's the kind of voice that you have sitting on your shoulder. If your parent was saying, you're so stupid, how could you do that? What's wrong with you? Why can't you ever do it right? That's the voice that's going to stand on your shoulder. So you get to decide what's the voice going to be on your kid's shoulder, and how you talk to them. That's going to be the voice that lives on their shoulders as they get older. So make it a really great teamwork voice. What can I do? How can I help? Where do you need me to be? Have a great day. Happy parenting.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode of the Positive Parenting Pep Talks podcast. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Debbie Godfrey, owner and founder of positiveparenting.com. I hope you'll go and check out my website and follow me on Instagram and let me know about what you thought about today's episode. Did you learn something new? Were you able to do something different with your children? Did you have a success story? Those are my favorite to share. Let me know. Contact me. I'd love to hear from you. And also, what future topics would you be interested in hearing about on the Positive Parenting Pep Talks podcast? Thank you so much for being here and for all of your support. Take care and happy parenting.